guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hi and welcome. My name is Maria, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate how I crochet this flower. It is about 2 inches high by 2 inches wide, and for this I'm going to be using a 4mm crochet hook, and it's going to be Red Heart yarn, and this is a number 4 medium weight. So to begin, we are going to start with a slip knot, and then we are going to chain 1. We are then going to make a circle, and in this magic circle we are going to single crochet 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then we are going to chain 1. And when doing those 5 single crochets, it's very important to go around both the loop and the tail, because now we are going to use the tail to pull our circle closed. Now, in the first single crochet that we made, we are going to slip stitch, and then we are going to do a half double crochet in that same stitch, and then we're going to do 3 double crochets in that same stitch. So we have 1, 2, and 3, and then we are going to half double crochet in that same stitch. Now in the next stitch we are going to do a slip stitch, and then we're going to do the same thing for each of the petals. So again, we are going to do a half double crochet, 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, and then a half double crochet, and then in the next stitch we are going to slip stitch, and then we are going to do a half double crochet in that stitch, 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, and then a half double crochet, and then a slip stitch in the next, then a half double crochet, and then 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, then a half double crochet, and then in the next stitch we will slip stitch, we will do a half double crochet, 3 double crochets, so 1, 2, and 3, then half double crochet, and then in the next stitch, this was our chain 1 stitch from the beginning magic circle, and we're going to slip stitch and then cut our yarn. Now I'm going to be adding these flowers onto a hat, and so I need enough to be able to sew this onto my hat. So to do that, I'm going to demonstrate how I will add these to the hat. I'm going to cut that other tail, and there is our flower. Very nice and easy. If you only want it to have 4 petals, then in the first row you are just going to single crochet 4 around the magic circle, and then chain 1. Okay, so I'm going to be adding this onto my troll hat. For this troll hat, I part the hair in the middle, And then I'm going to grab a yarn needle. Oops. And then I place it right on here. And then I just go into the hat. So I grabbed a hold of the hat on the other side and back up and through. And then around each petal, I just secure it by doing the same thing, going through the top of the flower, but then also grabbing the hat underneath. And then you can add these flowers to many different things. You can add them to blankets. You can make kind of like a chain of flowers, like for a birthday present or like a birthday party decoration, or you can put them on flip-flops. So you can go buy some flip-flops and then add this to the center. That's really cute. But yeah, lots of different things, and it's a very easy flower to crochet. Okay, and now I'm just gonna secure this by going a couple of times up here. You can definitely knot it if you need to. Okay, and there is the flower. And then if we look on the opposite side, it just comes through a little bit, which if you don't like it to come through, you can definitely not go as deep into like the hat material. But there we are, and then I just am going to add my 2 other flowers to finish off this hat. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like button. That really helps out my videos. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already to see any future videos. And if you want to continue the conversation, go ahead and do that in the comment section down below. Or you can follow me on all my social medias at MariaHeartsYarn. Thank you guys. Bye.